Hi guys, today I want to show you all about albino animals. The first thing about albino animals is that they're very rare. It's very rare to see albino animals. Albino crayfish are rare. Albino animals can come in anything. There can be albino clams, to albino hawks, albino chickens. There's albino dogs, albino hippos. Even the animals that are black, there can be albinos of them too. There can be albino snakes. Albino snakes are not white. So, I wanted to show you. And albino animals have pink eyes instead of like brown. So I want to show you what this crayfish can do. Not real crayfish can. I just want to show you. So I'm going to show you. Under the covers. You guys can't see it, so I'm just going to turn back on all the lights. But he glows in the dark is what I wanted to show you. Now let me get him back out. Albino animals are all white. They're all light. They're all light animals. There's no other color to them except light. They're just very light animals. It's very rare. Albino animals are super rare. And I want to show you this guy. This is a blue crayfish. These guys are also rare. But they don't come in all animals. There's no blue cats. There's no blue hippos. They only come in crustaceans. I'm pretty sure they only come in crustaceans. So it only comes in blue crayfish. Blue crayfish are super cool. But unlike albino crayfish, albino animals, blue crayfish can have black eyes and a color underneath them.